Hi, I'm Joanne from 15spatulas.com, and we are making raspberry coconut energy bites. I started making these for when I travel, and they are the perfect on-the-go snack that you can keep right in your bag that is delicious, healthy, nutrient and energy dense, and really easy to make. So really, we're just gonna throw a bunch of healthy ingredients into the food processor here. And to start, I have a cup of toasted coconut. I just cooked this in a dry skillet for about 3 to 4 minutes until it was golden and smelled amazing. And you definitely do not want to skip on toasting the coconut. It is astounding how much better it tastes than regular coconut. So here I have some medjool dates, and you wanna make sure that you take the pits out of these if it isn't pitted already. You just split it with your fingers and then take this little guy out, throw it away. These are gonna go into our food processor. Next, I have 1 cup of blanched almond flour. This is like a really finely ground almond. Then we have 1 cup of freeze-dried raspberries from a 1.2 ounce bag. You definitely don't want to use fresh raspberries here because it'll be really moist, and these have better flavor anyway. And then 1 cup of whole almonds go in. Give us those big pieces of almonds. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It smells so good, it'll give it a great flavor. And then 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. That'll help bind it all together. And more coconut. I never object to more coconut. So got the lid on, we're gonna blend this up. All right, when everything looks ground up, it'll look like a heap of rubble, but if you pinch a little bit of it together, it should hold in a little piece like this. And if it doesn't, just add another tablespoon of coconut oil and try again. So I have a small cookie scoop here. I'm gonna use this to portion out the balls. Just put that in your hand, squish it a little bit. I let James help me with this. Anyone can squish, and then roll it into a ball. And that's it. You've got your little energy bite. Once your energy bites are rolled into balls, they will keep for at least a week at room temperature, so they are perfect to have on the go, and I hope you love them. That's good.